Hello again. Yes, I'm Jessica from Jessica's Jeweled Art. I just got a delivery from TEMU. As you can see, they love their plastic packages. And I thought instead of me unboxing it by myself, I would unbox it with you guys. So let's do this quick unboxing. And here's my favorite unboxing tool, my pair of scissors. So let's get into it, shall we? Now, I believe I have some diamond painting tools in here. Not a kit, but you always need tools whenever you're doing any kind of project. So let's see what. And by the way, I am not a Temu affiliate, although it would be, I ought to be, as much as I order from them. But I'm not. So, but I'm a shopper, and I believe in word of mouth advertising. Oh, this is something that I need. I need this so badly, and I'm gonna tell you why. Do you know what this is? This is a cushion for my bouquet. Yes, yes, ma'am. And for someone who is always sitting on her bouquet, I need some extra cushion for the pushing. And this is nice and thick. And unfortunately, since I've lost a lot of weight, my butt is not nice and thick anymore. Let's try it out, shall we? Oh, yeah, this is cushy. This is cushy for the pushy. Okay, I think I'm going to like this. Now, we've got boxes. And yet another boxes. Let's see what we got in there. Shall we? I think I know. Well, I ought to know because I ordered everything. Um, and scissors are great for opening up plastic packages, opening up boxes, saving your nails. Hey, hey! What do we have? Can I get it out the box? Okay, here we go. Yes! Y'all know storage. Now, four of these. So you know I love these. And let me show you why. Number one, the snap top, which I just unsnapped. Number two, the printed labels with all the DMC codes. So I don't have to get out my Sharpie. I don't have to do anything but just put the labels on. And number three, it sits up great just like so. Number four, it has nice big containers. I love to do this with my nails. With the ridges for the shaking of your drills, crystals, diamonds, whatever you call them. I call them crystals because I like the way they sparkle. And number four, they close shut and they snap when they close. So if you drop them, oh well, I don't spill nothing, right? And do yourself a favor. My first set, I thought when I got my stickers, hey, I'll put my sticker right here. That'll be a great place. Except for when you're looking for a color, you don't want to have to pull it out to see, oh, that's color 592 or 674. You want to put it right in the front. And what I do is all the regular drills, I put in the front on the left side. Now, when I buy special drills, like this. Now, this one I did have to number because my little girls that I'm doing right now, they come with all special drills and they don't come with DMC codes. I don't like that, but it happens. So these I did have to write in, but the other special drills that I buy, I put those numbers on the right side. So when I'm looking, I know the difference between my regular drills on the left side, my special drills that are on the right side. See what I mean? Organization is the key. And what I also love about these is because they do have that snap-on lid. Guess what? When I go on my trip to Arizona in a little over, well, today is the 7th, so in less than 2 weeks, I can take a diamond painting project with me. I can put this in my suitcase. And when I snap it shut, I don't have to worry about things spilling out uh, in my travels. Yay! So, I got this one, and you can never have too many storage because I know that there may be some um, paintings that I do in the future that have more than 60 or 70 colors. They're out there. I just haven't done them yet. So I wanted to make sure, um, yeah, I wanted to make sure that when I get some of those bigger portraits to do, that I have plenty of storage. So now that I have 6 of these, and each one has 30 trays in there. So if I have 6 times 30, I can do 180. Now, I haven't seen or heard of one yet that has 180 colors, but bring it on. Girls ready, okay? So, and this one, because I never just buy one, because if you need one, you're gonna need two. But this time, if you need 4, are you really gonna need 6? I think so, yeah, I think so. So, I've got 6 now. Now I think I'm good. And at TEMU, you can't beat the price. So, anyway, I'm done for now. I just wanted to share this with you. And have a great rest of your day. Happy diamond painting. And see you next time. Bye bye.